Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to transfer from Yoursafe to Gcash. So let's get into the video. So firstly, open up Yoursafe. So go to Yoursafe and then log into your Yoursafe account. So once I've logged into your Yoursafe account and now you're on your home page here and you want to transfer it to your Gcash. So what you're going to do, hit on this transfer money tab here, so click on it. And once you've reached the transfer money tab here, so what you're going to do, if you want to transfer to your Gcash, you're going to select this option here, international wire. So just select that up, and then now what you have to do is simply type in, you provide your Gcash details, so details of your Gcash account. So just provide those details, and once you have provided here, type in the currency and the amount that you wish to transfer. So once you're done with that, hit on confirm, and then once you hit on confirm, you just need to review all your details that you provided and then hit on done. That's it, your amount will be transferred to your Gcash from your Yoursafe. So that's pretty much it is. Hope this video was helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.